Mistake number 3, putting the cart before the horse. A lot of people do a lot of research on items such as what tile am I going to use, the colors, the size, the format of the tile, the layout, what kind of faucets I'm going to use, if it's going to be a chrome or brushed nickel. But a lot of those selections are visually based only, and as a DIY project, you should spend much more time understanding, for example, space between the tiles. If you're using a 1/16 of an inch grout line, understanding what kind of grout you have to use in order to fill that space is very important. You cannot use sanded grout, it has to be unsanded. So these mistakes can cost a lot of money and a lot of redos if not properly researched before. Understanding the tile itself. Is it meant to be installed in the wet areas? Can you install it on the floor due to slippery liability? These things have to take place when you're researching your bathroom products.